Did somebody say a Christmas home tour? Well, why not? Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because this is a very special video. I want to share with you my Christmas home tours from the past. I'm gonna take you all the way back to 2019 where I share with you my very first home tour here on YouTube. I want to revisit in case that you want to get some inspiration. Remember, all of the home tours are going to be linked in the description box below if you want to see them in their entirety. I'm gonna start with my very first home tour, which was a small apartment when I lived back in Kansas. I was so excited to share with you guys this home tour back then. But before I do that, I want to invite you that if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on because you will not want to miss this year's Christmas home tour. And don't forget to also give a thumbs up to this video because that really helps the channel. Are you guys ready for some home tours? Let's go back to 2019 in a very small apartment and let me show you how I decorated for Christmas. Hello everyone, I am Ramon with Ramon at Home, and today I want to show you what my apartment looks like all decorated for Christmas. If you guys don't follow me on my social media, the links are down below. Let's go in. Alright you guys, I'm so ready to show you my apartment all decorated for Christmas. But before I do that, I'd like to talk to you about the main source of inspiration and the elements that build this year's Christmas look. It all started when I found this tablecloth at a thrift store and I fell in love with it. And I knew that one day it'll be the main source of inspiration for my Christmas decorating, and that year is this year. I add different kinds of plaids and checks to really build up with greenery and natural elements a Christmas look that is more masculine and elegant. Adding also the galvanized metals and the little antlers really help to create that masculine look. I want to take you guys around my apartment, and the first stop will be the pass-through. Here in my pass-through, I wanted to create a little bit of drama. As I mentioned to you guys before, I will not have a Christmas tree, so that allows me to create these big bouquets of greenery. And I also wanted to bring the Christmas feel with this buffalo check napkins that tie in with the bench that I reupholstered for my living room. A little touch and a little secret I can give you: these little packages wrapped in brown paper with just a little bow and a little bit of greenery add that Christmas feel to your display. If you guys like the idea of the greenery bouquets on my pass-through. Here in the living room, I wanted to tone it down a little bit. Just with a few plaids and a little bit of greenery, you can bring the feel of Christmas. I actually found this bench, believe it or not, on the roadside, and I took it home and sanded it down and restained it, and I reupholstered it for the holidays with this buffalo check to match my napkins on my pass-through. I actually found this is a tablecloth that I found on Amazon. So when I give you a little tip that if you have to do a reupholstering job and if you're looking for a fabric to keep the cost down, then you can go to your local discount stores or Amazon and look for a tablecloth and reupholster your piece of furniture. Also, in my coffee table, I'll show you guys how to make this little arrangement with greenery and antlers and big pine cones. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it down below. It's super simple, and then I just brought out my trunk that I had for years, set it on the side, and used that as a coffee table with a really pretty plaid tray and a blue and white plate to put my remotes. And then on my left hand side I have my bookcases, and on top of that I always like to do something pretty. And this time with Christmas trees and reindeer that I found at my local thrift store, I did a scene and I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know in the comment section below. You guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining here in San Diego as I'm recording this video of the home tours for Christmas, which makes it feel really cozy because it rarely rains here in San Diego. I really hope that you enjoyed the small apartment Christmas home tour, but now I'm gonna take you back to 2020. The pandemic had just started and it was just chaos everywhere, and I was so excited to share this Christmas home tour with you. However, I never did because I felt like the house was just not up to par. It was not as beautiful as I thought it turned out. So now I'm gonna give you a secret. It doesn't matter how more beautiful somebody else's home is. Remember, you have to do your best with what you were given. And that year, that's what I had. And unfortunately, I didn't feel like I could share. But now I'm so proud of what I did, and that's why I want to share with you this Christmas home tour from 2020. All right, you guys, so I know I told you I was done. However, I did find these garlands of ornaments. Look how cute these are. So I figured this would be perfect to just lay on the tree. And I had a boss that used to say that you're not done till it's overdone. And just when you think you're done, double it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this garland right here. I'm gonna let it drape all through and over my other elements. And I'm just gonna find a bristle and just attach right there with the garland. So look how much movement that gave your tree. I really recommend I show you how to do these garlands, but you can find them at Shinoda Design Center. If you are looking for something specific like this in black and white, that's where I got mine. So basically what I do is I just let it drape like that. I let it swag. Then I come over, use another bristle and attach, and it just gives it so much movement. And you can just let them dangle like this. Just go ahead and fluff all of your ribbons, and at this point, I think we're pretty much done. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna add to this simple swag is gonna be one of these garland of ornaments. We also put this on our mantle and also on our Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and divide it. And I want it to be a little taller because I don't want it to hit anyone in the head. So I'm just gonna grab a bristle right here and I'm gonna fold it up. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a swag right here. Then I'm gonna grab another bristle and fold up. Then I'm gonna come up and put another bristle up. I'm gonna repeat over on this side like this. Now make sure that when somebody walks in, it doesn't hit them in the head, and it is perfect. Now the only one thing that I want to add is a few of these specialty ornaments. So basically I'm just gonna grab this on my bristle and fold. And I have some of these harlequins. I have some of these polka dot ones that I want to add. And just go ahead and distribute them all the way through the garland. And we fluff. So now I'm gonna move my candles, my candlesticks that I got from Ross just for my Christmas season. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy, make sure you swag it to one side like this. And you go ahead and fluff all of your tails to make sure they all show like this. Then I'll bring some other ones of my candles and add them right here and right here. And just like that, you have a beautiful swag for an entryway table that matches our Christmas tree and the rest of our home decor. What do you guys think? As I was telling you, you guys, sometimes when we see all of these home tours on YouTube or on TV, it makes us feel like our homes are just not enough because they have more. Well, we are blessed to have what we have. God has blessed us with what we have, and we're required to do our best with what we're given. Remember, the Bible says that every good gift comes from above. So if you have what you have, remember that is a gift you've been given in, and you are required to do your best. All right, so moving forward now, I'm going to share with you last year's home tour, and it has been my favorite one that I've done up until this one that I'm excited to share with you. It was all crystals, all white and silver, and it was absolutely beautiful. Remember, all of the home tours are going to be linked down below so you can watch them in their entirety. All right, let's take a look at this beautiful Christmas home tour. So what do you guys think? Wasn't that just absolutely beautiful? Keep in mind that all of the home tours are going to be linked down below if you want to watch them in their entirety. There's two more that I wanted to share that I did not put in this video, and that was my mom's home tour that we did in 2019 as well, I believe, or 18. And then also the house that I decorated in LA for a customer of mine that she allowed us to do a home tour of it. I'm going to link those below as well, but I cannot wait to read your comments. So let me comment down below and let me know what was your favorite, and I cannot wait to share with you guys 2022 Christmas home tour coming up very, very soon. It's turning out absolutely beautiful, and I really hope that this will give you some ideas for your Christmas decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because that really helps the channel. Follow me all over my social media. The links are down below along with my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and until next time, you can watch more videos right now. Bye.